All right, so I normally don't film modern cars, but this is a 2013 Jeep Compass. It's kind of like a Patriot, but it's a Compass. And a very sad story. And if you're aware of Chrysler products, somebody's probably going to get angry of me saying this, but Chrysler Quality is just awful. And service isn't much better. So this is a good customer of mine. It's a 2013 Compass. He bought it used off of a lot. I'm sure he paid a lot for it. And he actually purchased the extended warranty because you just never know about Jeeps. So this is a pretty rare bird in that it's all-wheel drive and a 6-speed. And the transmission had a bearing noise about 3 months ago, and I was like, we should probably take care of that. And lo and behold, one of the spider gears actually poked its way out the differential. So now we've got a big problem. And the warranty won't cover it either from the factory or from the additional thing. It only drives in forward, and I just feel so sorry for the guy. I mean, he paid extra for the warranty, the extended warranty, and that won't, or whatever, is not covered. So this thing's going to a new home, new life. The tow truck's right there waiting for it to go on someplace, but I unfortunately can't help him out, and he is really in between a rock and a hard space. It's only got 50,000 miles on it. It's a really nice little Jeep, but again, you've got Chrysler genetics. So we'll drive it up on the tow truck and say goodbye. The transmission just howls, literally just howls. So let's see, put it in first gear. It's gonna bind up, I know it is. So, well, you're gonna have to take my word for it. Transmission is no good, and I really feel sorry for the guy. I'll take a video here of it leaving on the truck. I've got to actually drive it up on the ramp. All right, bye-bye, little Jeep. I hope you get taken care of. Man, it was hard to just get it in this position. It's too bad. That's really too bad. I feel really sorry for the guy.